The second exclusion that's on both the commercial general liability and the marine general liability, but the marine general liability usually has another add back, is coverage to your work. So insurance policies aren't a warranty. They're a protection against the bodily injury or property damage that's caused by your work. But your actual work isn't covered by the policy. That would be like a warranty. The general liability policy excludes the work that you're actually doing. So for instance, if your job was to clean the boat and you dirtied it further, somehow using a chemical or something of that nature, the policy wouldn't provide coverage for that damage to the boat because your job was to clean it, and what you did was make it dirtier. So they're not going to provide that warranty coverage. Now, if while cleaning the boat you damage somebody else's boat because of overspray or something of that nature, your general liability policy may provide the coverage.